I'm really happy to share with you a new feature that we have just released on Podsqueeze that I think you'll love. It's our own podcast editor. Yes, now you can edit your show all within Podsqueeze, and it's very easy to. So let me show you how you can do it. First of all, just go to your dashboard and select an episode. This is backwards compatible, so it works as well with older episodes. You just click. And then, as you can see, on the Edit and Enhance Audio tab, there is a badge saying New. This means there's something new for you there. So let's click. And this is your editor UI. It takes a few seconds initially to load the full transcript, but once it's done, voila, you can easily edit your whole show, your own audio or video through Podsqueeze by just editing the text. Now, if you have video at the moment, it will only allow you to edit the audio. This is only for audio, but soon we'll also be releasing a version that will also allow you to edit the video. Now, let me show you some of the features. So first of all, let's play it as it is.
Hello, welcome to another episode of the Indie Founder Podcast, the podcast about what's really like to bootstrap.
Now, let's say I want to remove this whole section. I just have to highlight it, select it, click on the scissor, and let's play it.
Hello, the podcast about what's really like to bootstrap a company.
As simple as that. You just need to select a word, a sentence, and then click on the scissor and it's removed from the audio. Very, very easy. And if you want to put it back, select it again, click, done. Super, super simple. Now, one other thing you can do is to find specific words. So let's say you are recording your show and there's something. The guest needs to go to the bathroom. You can just say a word like cut, and then you can easily search for that word. For instance, here I will search for the word podcast. Bam. Every time podcast is mentioned, I can quickly go there. And I can edit from here on.
Podcast. Thank you for joining us.
Now, as you can see, this is an interview. So you can see all the speakers. So here you have Craig and Tiago. But if you have more speakers, obviously, they will all be identified. Now, let me show you one cool thing about how the editing works. So I will just remove this whole sentence. Let's play it.
And I'm the one I have here, entrepreneur, and I'm the one I have here with me today. His name is Craig Hewitts. And
as you can see here on the waveform, you can expand the cut. And if you want, you even can zoom in. And the great thing about this is that now you can move the cut so that if you want to start the cut a bit, like a few microseconds before or after, you can do that easily. And this allows you to remove any clipping sound that might occur in the automatic cutting. Now you can just go and play.
And I'm the one I have here with me today. His name.
As you can see, if I remove a bit more, it will also change on the words that are being selected, which is really, really cool. So now you know what part of the waveform corresponds to what part of the word. So it's really easy for you to get the perfect sound using this editor. Let me show you some other cool functionalities. As you can see here on the right side menu, you have the word cut silences, the button cut filler words, and enhance audio. What does this mean? So cut filler words, you click on it, it will automatically identify all the ums and the filler words you don't want on your show. And then you click, and as you can see, 17 of them were removed. And you can find them here as well. And if you scroll down, for instance here, hum. So now the filler word ha was removed.
Of them. Yeah. And you lived in France for how many years?
Another thing that you can do is cut the silences. So any silence that is longer than 3 seconds will be identified, and then it will be removed as well from the episode and from the audio. Now, let's say that your audio quality is not the best and you want to improve it. Maybe you have a lot of echo, maybe you have a lot of noise. It's as simple as clicking on Enhance Audio. You click on it, and after a few seconds, it will make the audio studio-like. It's really, really incredible. So this Enhance Audio was already here. This was previously what you had here when you clicked on this tab. Now you have the full editor. Other things you can do, obviously, you can add your own media track. So if you want to add a little intro, some intro sound or something, you can just click and get it imported from your computer and insert it. Super easy to do. And once it's ready, once you're happy with the final result, you just click on Export Audio. It will render the full audio and export it, and then you can just upload it to your distribution center, any being that Spotify, Red Circle, whatever. It's very, very simple. And of course, that you still have all the other Podsqueeze functionalities, so you can still create your clips and you still have your written content. So the idea is to make Podsqueeze a centralized place where you can edit, generate all the text assets and all the videos ready for the promotion and publication of your show. So I hope you're happy with this. If you have any feedback, anything that you think we should introduce next, feel free to drop a comment on this video or just shoot me an email. Cheers.